Well guys, I think I overestimated myself a little bit maybe. So, the night was good. I slept really well. Today we will not be continuing my exploration of the Pyrenees, but instead we will be going to the Bardenas Reales, basically the Spanish desert. I hope I spelled that correctly. If anyone speaks Spanish, they can correct me on that. And also, probably my motorcycle will see some dirt. We will scramble the Yamaha XJ600. The Spanish desert should be really interesting because it's often described as basically looking like a lot of Western locations, like from old Westerns. And I also think, I'm not 100% sure, but I think at the place we're going, a few of the Karl May movies have been shot there. Those roads in the Pyrenees are just amazing. We will definitely be seeing more of that tomorrow, and probably also today there will be a lot of curvy roads on our way to the Bardenas Reales. So, as you guys can see, the landscape has gotten drier. This is basically the end of the road to the desert. This is how it continues. So it's gravel road from now on. And yeah, wish me luck. So, no more pavement from here on. Whew, this is adventurous. Still looks quite alright over here. With I think this is still farm stuff. Oh, I think this has burned down. This is why this is so black. Okay, I need to locate where the brake is while I'm standing. But yeah, this already gives some Western feelings right here. So guys, I must say, the off-road stuff becomes a bit more intense here. But also the landscape is just incredible. Look at this little canyon right here. It's probably like 5 or 7 meters deep. I'm wondering, is this stone or clay or just like really hard stone? Yeah, but like this is just extremely impressive. That was intense. Whoa! Oi, 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 oi. This is deep down there. I don't want to go down there. Get up here. I must say, for this being a sport tourer, this motorcycle is keeping up really well. Like on the GoPro, all this stuff probably looks small as shit, but on these tires, with the whole bike just wobbling and sliding around, it feels scary sometimes. And also, I have no clue what I'm doing. Like, I barely have... Whoops, this looks like some... Ah, okay. Ooh! How steep is the other side? Oh, there's again one of those canyons. How cool is this? Whoa. On the one hand, it's scary, but on the other hand, it's super fun. But that's the amazing thing about not that expensive motorcycles. With enough courage, every bike turns into an adventure bike. And that's absolutely the case with this one. Sliding wheel, sliding wheel. Okay. I have 3 liters of water with me, so that should be good if I break down for a 30-kilometer hike. Oh, let's go over here. This looks the easiest route. Oh, it's my... Ooh, like my suitcase that's constantly struggling on the Autobahn. Has no issue at all with this, which surprises me. Really scared sometimes of just falling onto my ass, to be honest. Guys, I think I overestimated myself a little bit maybe, because the deeper I get into this, the more intense the roads become, and this is now, even for like a proper fucking adventure bike, really intense. Like, I probably will have to go over here. But I have to pull the bike back up. Or I could try to move over this big rock. No, I need to drive the thing on this side of the fucking river. But I will try to cross over. Oh, slip, slip, slip. Shit. Okay, this is not my crossing. This is so shit. This one now needs courage. And fucking courage. Come on, push the bike back up. Get on the go. Hold down the thing slowly. Come on. You can do this. Sadly, just a few moments ago when I tried to film something with the tripod, a screw broke. That is really important to mounting the camera. So until I get a new screw, no more tripod shots, sadly. Oh yeah, I did it. So guys, I just arrived at the rock I wanted to go to, and it was quite an intense ride. I managed to get here at a few points I was questioning that, and said he also hit my exhaust, but not that bad. It's everything is intact. So yeah, this is this amazing rock, and I made it. Sadly, there's one little spot where I hit my exhaust right here, but it's not that bad. It's just a little dent. At the big rock, I also saw like a 12 GS rider, this French GS riders, full gear, and I took a photo for them. They must have taken a different route because through the shit we went through, I haven't seen them. Maybe they had another way that was equally shit, or they just took the normal road. Because I also think like there was a normal road, but it was way longer. You would have to go around all the way around all the desert on a highway, and I was like, no, not doing that. So I just had some food and edited and uploaded a video while the rain was really strong out here. So there's no camping spot in the area. I mean, there is one, but that one is too expensive for us. So I will be wild camping today for the first time. It will be my first time sleeping in a tent outside where there's no camping ground. Like, I'm so paranoid about losing my stuff. Like, I'm so paranoid about losing my SD cards and my huge saving thing. Because I can't upload my files, you know? And if my rucksack would get stolen, everything would be gone. I need to see how confidence inspiring the places I won't be sleeping at. Honestly, all my adrenaline is already going from knowing I will be sleeping somewhere in the bushes here. Honestly, kind of not a fan. I'm not a fan of it. But maybe it goes well. It probably will go well. At most of the time, like, why wouldn't it go well? It's just my paranoia completely kicking in because I'm scared. Oh, I think this is my exit. Pretty sure this means car is forbidden. There are some tables. Also some water, even though that mostly looks dried up. Let's have a look. Are there any signs for people drinking or something late at night here? Or vandalism? All things you don't want at a place where you're sleeping at. Looking for stuff like containers and like bottle caps and so on, but it all looks good. So where we'll be putting up the tent? Maybe right here. Oh, it's just cars in the distance. Okay. Well, I am now in my tent. The silence is a bit scary, but I have to remind myself everything is alright. I have parked quite a bit off the road, so no one will come by here and have stupid thoughts. So I'm all good. Right when I stopped my last recording, two men walked by. I saw them in the distance. I don't think I need to worry. They looked like father and son. One was a bit smaller. And I'm sleeping next to a river, so they probably were just checking out the river, but still scared the shit out of me. I was literally sitting there looking at them for like 15 minutes. Also now my light is dying, which is unfortunate.